Need to run the battery down because then he can't fly it too high.
Oh, we don't hurt him, Wendy. What are you up to?
I mean, I guess copters are free.
Like that?
No, this is the first time. No, this is the first time ever flying it.
Small night, pork chops.
Good job, Ossian. Good job.
But it needs supervision. You know, it says 12 and up on the box, not, 20 months and up, Mom. Well, I guess copters are free,
Ready?
Good boy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay.
Good boy. Clap for him. Give him encouragement.
Last night, I came down
I'll let
and
off
kids for a little bit, but I didn't know
the
That's good.
throttle before it.
Yeah, that's good. Just teach him the principle and all that.
Okay.
Good job.
Good boy, clap.
I'll see you one night this week.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah, you gotta give him positive reinforcement when he does something right.
Ready? Okay.
Kill that dog out there.
Is it going? Let's see. Want Memo to help you?
He wants to do it by himself.
Okay, you do it.
Is he saying fly?
Yeah, I think he is saying fly.
You gotta use that one. Well, you have to inspect it again.
What?
Okay, put it easy. No.
Hey, no. Well, he don't need that. Now you gotta hug him and comfort him, Mom. Console the child.
Don't throw it. Don't throw
Well,
it.
don't-
Ready? Make it go.
You can use words. You don't actually have to use, head smacking and all that.
That's what she did with us.
Worked for me.
Apparently.
Yeah, but he's sensitive enough to where you don't need to do that.
There you go.
You can actually stop him just by raising your voice, is my point. You don't actually have to use physical gestures. And then when physical gestures don't work, then you spank him. You see what I'm saying? You'd be surprised how sensitive he is to somebody's voice.
Good job.
See, that's the thing with him. I never spank him or anything like that. I just, whenever he gets out of line, I raise my voice. All I have to do is raise my voice, and he immediately stops and he starts crying and all that. Then I hug him and console him and all that, and let him know that I don't hate him
Good
and that
job.
sort of thing. And that's the learning process. Now,
Good
when that
job.
kind of stuff stops working, then you have to spank him. Then maybe I guess you do.
whacked you off.
Well, is that your first result or your last result? Because I choose it as a last result. Good boy. Yes. Good. Clap, clap. Positive reinforcement.
None of that reinforcement I got, that was after I done something wrong. It wasn't no positive reinforcement, it was always the negative.
You whack and ask questions.
I didn't know such thing as positive reinforcement.
Good boy. Yes. Good. Yes. Yes. Good boy.
Time out I had when I was knocked out.
I didn't know.
I'm trying to teach him the difference between right and wrong.
Okay, that's good. You're doing a good job.
I'm trying to make sure that he knows that there is a difference. Good boy.
Good job.
Good boy.
Good
Yes.
job. That is good.
Whoa, no, whoa. Oh, it's
He was
okay.
enjoying
Daddy's
this.
here.
Clapping.
It's okay. Daddy's
He
here.
wasn't looking.
Daddy's here.
Did you get that on video?
Well, some of it. I mean, I'm recording, but the camera
He
was
just
probably
looked
not
at
on
his
video.
face. He was looking over, smiling real big, and the helicopter was flying behind him.
He didn't know he had his finger on it.
Crashed
I handed it to him. He goes, "Thank you." Ready?
I wish he'd back up just a little bit.
Yeah, you got to back up.
Here.
Get right on top of it.
Come back here, honey. It'll go. Show him, Christian.
Well, he thinks you're talking about the helicopter.
Yeah, put the helicopter on the helipad.
On the pad, yeah. Put on the pad and show him how far to step back.
Okay, now,
Pretty amazing. He can run.
get your controller back
He's
here.
20 months old. Well, he's almost 21 months old.
You can stay right here, back here. That's good. Right there.
Well, yeah, he's about 21 months old now.
Ready?
Not even 2 years old, and he learns so well. Whoa. Good boy. Good boy.
Concentrating real hard.
Put it on the pad.
Watch his
Put it on the
face.
pad, Ossian.
Watch his face.
Oh, well, we gotta get some more light.
Good job. Good job.
Good, yes.
He starts leaning back.
Good boy.
Yes, that's how you learn.
Not even 2 years old yet. I'm gonna put this video on my flash drive. Whoa! Good boy, yes. Now hug him, console
Put
him,
him back on the.
rub him on the back.
pad.
Yep.
Yeah.
He didn't want to touch it.
Good boy, it's okay. It's okay, buddy. You're okay. It's okay. Yes, there you go. You just gotta keep trying until you get it right. Okay, the controller's on. I think he hasn't got the throttle yet.
Push the button on the left, honey.
Well, as long as it doesn't hit him, it's fine.
That one. No, this one. This one, honey. Yeah, go.
No, he wants you to do it. Well, I guess he's not.
There it goes. He's gonna rearrange it.
Well, he's fine. No, don't do that. No.
No. Put it back on the helipad.
Put it back on the pad.
You got pissed, it's like it won't fly, so it wouldn't make it fly.
He's a good boy. He's a good learner, especially for as young as it is. At 18 months old, he understood the concept of the controller operating the device.
Oh yeah, he's known that for a good while. Go.
In a few days, he'll turn 20 months or 21 months old. He.
That one. Push that one. See?
Yeah, throttle.
This one.
If anything, he could just do the throttle.
There you go. Do a little dance. Back up.
Probably the best thing for anybody, including him, to do is just learn how to hover the thing first before,
Well,
moving it
right.
around.
The good thing is when the battery gets low, it'll only go so high.
Yeah, but it'll only do it for so long, too. That's the problem.
Whoa.
You know,
He's got the prettiest blonde hair. It's so
Let me
pretty.
hold it.
and he might want you to
showing
fly
it
it.
to me?
He wants you to
Thank
fly
you.
it.
Well, give it to Dada.
He does that to me all the time. Just teases me. He'll put
Here.
his arms up and I'll go over
Here.
and pick him up and take off.
Mom, here.
Make it
So,
fly.
somebody be a camera person. It's doing what it needs to do. So I'm gonna yes, copy. Give it to Dada. Ossian, give it to Dada. Give it to me. Mirror, 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 mirror. Whoa! Give it to Dada. Hey, give it to
He
Dada.
wants to run it again.
Hey. No fussy. No fussy.
Let's put this on
No
camera.
fussy.
He's done her enough
No fussy. Hey. Calm down. Hey, calm down. Yeah, Daddy's gonna fly, okay?
He's
Daddy's
so
gonna
calm
fly.
with him. He's usually like this, but with him, he's.
Well, he is impressionable. You see, I expect adults to know how to do things properly. He's a kid. He doesn't know better yet. Daddy'll do it. Give it to Dada.
Where'd you go?
Give it to Dada.
Here. Here you
Get in Christian's face. What do you think about that? How's that reaction?
go. He's gone now. What do you want to say? There's Mama.
Positive reinforcement. Shh. Positive reinforcement.
You're on the camera. Here they come.
No fussy, okay?
Can you smile?
Yeah, Daddy loves you.
Yay!
Daddy loves you, okay? Good
Daddy loves me, let me fly that hill.
Good boy.
Well, it's not gonna fly forever. It does have.
Good boy. Nope, he said I want to do it.
He started going to the corner recently. Like somebody's been putting him in timeout.
I know,
don't know
Jason's
who it was.
noticed that before too.
He did it last week.
He did it back in.
He puts it.
November,
He
December.
walk himself in the corner and basically go hide himself. He's
I
never
don't
done
know
that
who
before
does
until
that.
like
I
last
don't
week.
know if she does that or they did that at the daycare.
I've never told him to go to the corner.
I never
like,
either.
You know, like if he gets out of hand, I'll raise my voice just a bit, and then to the point in which he cries. Then he knows he's done something wrong. Then I hug him and all that, like you people have seen.
Somebody makes him go in the corner.
Okay.
She's looking at a different daycare to put him in, starting next week.
Da-da.
Why she need a daycare if she don't work?
Exactly. That's a good
They
question.
pay daycare for both the kids while she job searches.
I thought she wasn't getting that again until March.
She
Well,
wasn't doing the job search because she was smooching with 3 different guys in 4 months.
She got all her benefits cut off. She didn't even get in Christian's child support. Nothing. They cut her off totally because she didn't get her job search papers done. So she's had to go through everything again and re-sign up, reapply, go through orientation because she don't get a check until maybe sometime.
I think the battery's getting a bit low.
Yeah.
It's not climbing like really high. Now it needs trim.
She doesn't understand. A girl at Christian told me they'll only do that for you for about a year, maybe close to a year. And that's done. If you don't have a job or go back to school,
We're gonna have to
Okay,
charge
so-
the little guy. We're gonna have
because
to
they
charge
cut
the
her
battery.
insurance off. They left it on the 2 kids,
We're gonna have to charge the
but they
battery.
cut her insurance
Let's
off.
turn this
and
off.
she never gets his child support money. Goes into the state and state detect.
Hey, what are you doing? Come here.
I'm about ready to go eat.
Yep.
Alright, give me that camera.
Where's the bird? Where's the bird?